How to fix blurry photos on Snapchat camera. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure your picture is focused on one thing. After you do that, it won't be blurry. You can also simply clean your camera lens so that there is no any dirt. After you do that, on the right side, you'll find the arrow. Click on the arrow and click on grid. Make sure there is grid, so in that way you can take pictures according to the grid lines and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix blurry photos on Snapchat camera. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.